Hey guys, and welcome back to AJ's Masquerade. Today is another Latch Hook Time lapse that took me about 4 months of off and on working to complete, and I wanted to die for a lot of it, but I'm super happy with how it turned out. So yeah, roll the intro. Hey guys, and thanks so much for watching this video. Here is the completed latch hook and a sticky note for size comparison. So yeah, it's not the biggest I've done, but it was pretty big. My favorite part was definitely the tree and just sort of going straight down with all the layers. I'm sure that'll look cool once I edit the time lapse. But yeah, so I actually really like how this one turned out. It's technically not quite done. I'm gonna run over it with a fabric roller like the pet hair ones to help get up all of the little, you can kind of yarn bits that are just sort of hanging out. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the other side of the rainbow. Bye!